Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see here we've got a manual tensioner on this TwinCam. You know, obviously, you know, the automatic thing's a nightmare, tightens up and over tightens, and when it gets hot goes even tighter still, so it can cause compensator wear and obviously a lot of damage. But the other great thing is this compensator. This is a Baker, I believe it's CS34 or 43, but fantastic bit of kit, really simple, no stupid springs and bloody ramps and everything else. It's literally a threaded sprocket that literally undoes and does up. Very, very simple bit of kit. Take a lot of power as well. There's no jingly noise that you get with the standard thing either. You know, you get that horrendous row like a ball bearing factory, which you don't get with the early bikes because they obviously had a manual tensioner as well. So basically all you're going to do with this is tighten this screw up here, and this will shove this along, much like my old Triumph Bonnie where you had a hole in the bottom case. But and then obviously you do these lock nuts up. But very simple to use, very simple to fit. Fantastic bit of kit. If you're interested in any of these conversions, give us a call. 01773 835 666. It's CustomCruisers.com. Thank you.